Alright, it's the next morning. I thought I got food poisoning last night because I ate so much crab leg. I thought it was $80 because Jeff said it was $80, but I didn't realize he bought Alan's meal too. So it was actually $40. So I tried to eat $80 worth of crab legs, and now I'm paying for it. I'm literally pissing out of my ass. So today, we're gonna go to the gun range. We're gonna shoot a bunch of these guys I'm sure have never shot in their lives. So I'm actually quite terrified because I think they're gonna flag us and shoot us. So today will be very interesting. All right, we are out and about. Alan's about to shoot some guns. We're actually going to Aria to meet up with the drivers. I guess we're getting picked up in a nice old school style Humvee. I don't know, we'll find out. Back in the day, you thought this was the coolest shit. It's no longer the coolest shit. It's actually painful. Look at this, yeah. It's always the same. Yep, oh, yep, no cushion, always like it. Yep, I remember this. I remember this a little too well. I would never re-up. Never, ever, ever. I'd rather stick my dick in a blender. You guys want to take a picture? Yeah, take a picture. Alan, no, don't worry. He's in the front.
Oh, on the way back, yeah.
Yeah, on the way back, we got it. Right, we are here at Battlefield Vegas. Very popular shooting range here in the city of Las Vegas. They got a bunch of like cool stuff, tanks, tree dick, and yeah, we're about to shoot. I actually just paid $40 extra for 25 rounds of an MP5 SD, and I've always wanted to shoot that, so I'm excited about that. Everything else we're about to shoot, other than the Uzi I've shot before, so it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a fun time. Out of paddy fields this thing has seen, just mowing them down, and now we've taken over it. We're getting on. We're going home now. Please check out my new whip.
I parked it over here if you guys want to check it out.
Jeff Jose's MTV Cribs.
Yeah, so this is I use this on a daily. The rest I actually just use them for like the weekends.
Oh, nice.
So I think gas is going up. I parked it over here if you guys want to check it out.
All right, definitely. Let's see what you're riding.
The Moonstar doesn't work right now. Check it out.
Dude.
Yeah, look, just do the pose that the runners were doing.
Yeah, I grab my pussy.
Yo, this is good.
Trumping them nuts. Well, you know what side we are. There's that patch. Oh man. We're in Las Vegas. This makes sense.
Yo, can we please buy this for Ray? You're talking about those Asian.
Come on. Look, Mario special. Wow, look at all these heavy artillery. Do not touch. I'm finally gonna be able to shoot my MP5 SD. So stoked. Wow. Remember in Die Hard? Yeah, bro. This is the one. Praise Jesus. Whichever you think this is, this could be the Antichrist, or this could be straight up the Christmas edition. This is awesome. Spacesuit glove. Whoa. Space helmet. Driving alone and now drivingtogether.com. I got some kickback.
Still got it. He still got it. He's nice. That was my finger. Look at that. It's in the camera. Like, oh, we got some kickback on that. Oh.
All right, we just finished shooting at Battlefield Vegas. I shot well. I'm very happy with that. I did not know if I haven't shot in 2 years, so everyone had fun. Alan had a great time. Now we're about to go out. We have a party bus later tonight, so we're not gonna. I'm telling them not to drink too heavily because we're gonna have a night to drink heavily, but let's see what they do. Bad decisions.